All right, let's see if warming up helps, okay? So we're gonna start over here. Here. Okay. Okay. I know you're tired. It's almost time for your NAP. Let's try one hand. Okay. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Stand good. Stand good. Ready? Okay, come here. Come here. Oh no. Okay. Ready? Are you standing good? Come here. Come here. Come here. You're doing so good. Ready? Ready? Okay. Come here. Come here. Oh. I know. You just want to keep walking. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready? Come here. Come here. Yeah, I know. Yay, Charlotte. Yay. You're not even holding on to me. You just kind of... Oh my goodness. Should we do it again? Let's see if we can do it again, okay? Come here. Okay. Take it easy. Where are you going? Come here. Ready? You ready? You ready? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. No, are you tired now? Are you tired now? Okay, here. Oh, stand good. Stand good. Okay. I know you just want to walk. We're just going to leave it running and see what we can catch. How about that? How about that? Because we got to show Mommy. Okay. Can you come this way with one hand? Charlotte, this way. Come here. Do you have the hiccups now? That's going to throw off your equilibrium. Okay, ready? 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 Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so happy. Even though you fell, you're so happy. Here, let's see. Okay.